Hi, I'm Danny V. I'm here with Julie Springstead, Waltz, attorney at law, and nice to see you, Julie.
Thanks, Dan.
Hey, I want to ask you about landlord-tenant. Now, from a tenant standpoint, can he throw me out on the streets at any given time? Can he just pull the power meter? I mean, I've heard those nightmares from people from time to time. And then there's the landlord side. So help me out. I'm the tenant. What are my rights?
All right. Your landlord cannot just show up and say, you're out of here. So they can't turn off your power or your utilities in an effort to evict you. That's called a self-help eviction, and Michigan law does not allow it. So as a landlord, if you want someone to move out because they haven't paid their rent, you can send them a 7-day notice to quit, where you're giving them notice you have this much time to pay or you need to move. If they don't move after that, you file a complaint with your district court. You get a court date, and then the court will eventually give a date for them to be out. So no self-help evictions in Michigan.
Okay, well that clears that up, because I've heard the nightmares from folks. I just showed up and they don't know what to do.
Right.
Now, from a landlord's perspective, do you help a lot of landlords? I mean, landlords, a lot of them think they know the law.
Right. The law is very specific in Michigan, and it's important to have a good lease. It's important to have an inventory checklist of moving in, moving out. It's very important to follow the security deposit rules. And if you have questions about any of that, you can contact me at 231-873-4022, and I'd be happy to answer your questions.
Well, thank you so much, Julie. Thank you.
Thanks, Dan.
Now, I'll bring that lease right over.